What are you touching in your life right now? Mechanisms and products that are casually familiar are assets that have been created by human hands in various fields. Automobile, airplane, railway, ship, energy, construction machinery, medical equipment, etc. An industry that gives color to our lives. In fact, those are deeply involved with the machine tools from Shiba Ura Machine. From our wide lineup, we would like to introduce Table-Type Horizontal Boring and Milling Machine Series, BTD and BTH. The major difference between the two models is the Z-axis movement structure. BTD is table traverse type. BTH is column traverse type. BTD has good workability and operability and is suitable for single-item processing with frequent setup changes and positioning. Because BTH moves the column, it suppresses the wobble of tall workpieces and covers. In addition, a high-type cover that prevents chips and coolant from scattering is standard specifications, making it suitable for mass production by many unmanned operations and repetitive machining. The numerical number following the model name indicates the spindle diameter and quill diameter. From boring that requires accessibility to heavy-duty cutting that requires rigidity. Please select according to your application. The number following R represents the table size. We can propose the most suitable model based on the size and weight of the target work handled by the customer. Next, I will introduce the processing. From facing and end mill shaping to heavy cutting. Drilling and tapping can be used to process small to large diameters. In addition, there are many optional features such as a flex drill that allows diagonal holes and tapping without the neck setup. We have a rotary milling function that processes cylindrical surfaces and end faces using the B-axis continuous indexing mechanism. Next, we will introduce processing examples by industry. The first is the link housing of injection molding machines as industrial machinery. It can be cut in deep places with many interfering objects. We are also actually processing parts for our injection molding machines and die casting machines. From power generator, it is a valve for hydroelectric power generation to prevent from leaking from the valve joint. It is processed by a function called spindle normal direction control with a single blade instead of milling. In shipbuilding, it is possible to process fine shapes such as propellers for ships. In automobiles, it is the processing of plastic mold models for interior parts. In simultaneous 4-axis processing for mold machining, in addition to the rotary milling function, tooltip point control and shape function are used for processing. For power generators, it is the processing of closed impeller models used in pumps and generator parts, which energize liquids and gases. You can also process intricate shapes of wings. Besides, in medical equipment, CT scan parts processing, and in aerospace, it also processes jet landing gears and its parts. As in-house products, Shiba Ura Machine has a long history of dedicatedly producing machine tools with outstanding technology and a profound feeling. We will continue to make industrial machines that contribute to your business. We keep the development of technology that enriches our lives.